Hi, I'm Mr. Huber, and in this video we're going to talk about exercise 26c. Again, we want to work out the area of this circular segment. The idea behind it is always the same thing. The area of the circular segment is the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle down here. So the whole thing minus the area of the triangle. So that's a certain angle alpha that we don't know just yet. So it's alpha 360th times pi 58 squared minus, we'll need the height later on, 40 times the height divided by 2. Well, that's our goal. So we need alpha and we need the height. So we know, as this is an isosceles triangle, so this is 58, 2, we know that this is going to be 20 and this is alpha halves. So let's work with that and let's work out alpha halves first. So we can start off with sine alpha halves is opposite over hypotenuse, so it's 20 over 58. So we need the inverse sign here, arc sine. Alpha halves is arc sine of 20 times 50 over 58. Alpha is 2 times arc sine of 20 over 58. So let's type this in. 2 times, well, arc sine is sine to the minus 1, the inverse sine, 20 divided by 58. Here we go. And this is approximately, alpha is approximately 40.34 degrees. Let's store this as A. So this is A in our case. Well, once we have alpha, and we have these two, we could work out the height. Either we can use alpha halves in order to work that out, well, which is A halves, or we could just use Pythagoras. Let's use Pythagoras in this case. It's very easy. So it's height squared plus 20 squared is 58 squared. Leg squared plus leg squared is 58 squared. Well, it's obvious that this is a right angle up here. Okay, so height is 58 squared minus 20 squared and the square root of it. So let's type that in. 58 squared minus 20 squared. That's approximately 54.44 units of length. So let's store this as B. Okay, so now this is going to be B. And now we can carry on with this here. Well, alpha is now A, so it's 40.34 degrees over 360. Pi times 58 squared minus 40 times the height, 54.44 divided by 2. So we can type this in. So this is, recall A, this is A, divided by 360 times pi, no, sorry, let's restart, sorry, A divided by 360 times pi times pi times 58 squared minus, well, you could work out 20 times. That's probably easier because this will be 20 times recall b. And now this is going to be 95.46 units of area. You see, you can type in 40 times 54.44 divided by 2, but you could also just say this is 20 times 54.44, because you can simplify the fraction. That's probably a bit faster. I hope it wasn't too difficult. See you in the next one.